So this once again is my 1993 Kirby Generation 3. A lot has actually happened to this machine since you've seen it last. I tried my best polishing it. It's okay. It's not bad. It's not perfect. It will never be perfect. But I also swapped the belt lifter with a better looking one. Got the paint scrapes off. Had to glue the bottom of the emptor back on because it was splitting and spewing dirt out of it. And I thought, while I'm doing that, while I'm taking the whole bag apart, might as well just wash the bag. So that's what I did. Only issue is it's just a bit faded. But that's okay. Yellowed cord, as always. Because, it's kind of... So it just gives a character. G3s have always been my favorite. They will continue to be my favorite. Apologize for the mess. This is my mom's workroom. So she has a bunch of old sewing machines. All this yarn. All these cats. Sorry, Carrot. Absolutely perfect. Functionally. Oh yeah, I forgot. I screwed up this. So I was trying to screw this in, and the little socket, the metal socket that's supposed to go into, completely just fell out. No, it didn't fall out. It's just attached to the screw. I'll have to super glue that back in there at some point. Anyway, this is my first test of it since washing the bag. So, hopefully all goes well. Looks, sounds, functions absolutely perfectly.